Yeah, another very important part of station maintenance is the cleanliness of the troughs. The trough is for watering stock, easy access to either side of it. The cattle in this paddock will know that there's a reliable source of water here, and that's why we've got to maintain these troughs and keep them clean, keep them in good condition. As you can see, this trough's full of gum leaves and various other matter bird feathers. Sometimes you might have a dead bird in there. And cows like to drink clean water, so we always carry a trough broom, unscrew the bung at the end of the trough, block the float off. When the water level goes down a bit, we'll give the trough a good scrub. The water's delivered from that tank through a pipeline under the ground. Another important part, if you would see a wet patch over there somewhere, there's possibly a hole in the line. We'll check this float valve in a minute once we let it go, make sure it's running freely and shutting off. And that will flush out clean. Now the obvious thing to look for is good flow here at the float valve. If that was just trickling out, you've got a problem, either your tank's empty or there's a blockage in your line to your trough. And we try and keep that part of the trough covered with a cage or a door so the stock can't get in and damage that.